So we got ginger, and now I'm gonna put some fresh mint in it like this. Mint is good for pain. Using a portion of the mint just to get the flavor from the mint. You have to do this, guys. So, mint is very good for pain, joint pain, back pain, and all those things. Very, very good for it. Alright, if you notice, you can see the flavor of the water is perfect. This is really good for you. Alright, yeah. Some join the mint. Yeah. So we're gonna turn off the cooker. All right, we don't want it to boil. We want to dry it. Yeah. Perfect. Hello, Chef Ricardo. What's your combination? Poetry Rice, USA. Purchase your book. Oh yeah, thank you so much. Appreciate the love. Rose, Ivan, thank you so much. Appreciate the love. Joy, big up yourself. Thank you so much. Andrew, big up yourself. Alright, we do not want it to boil. Turn off the cooker. Yeah. So that's the way it look, because we don't want to boil it. here it is. That looks amazing. So basically, this is a very powerful drink to drink before you go to bed in the night. And it also energizes the body, get rid of pain, muscle pain, back pain. All right, good for sickness. Yeah. Then what you want to do, pour it off. You do not want to use any lemon or lime inside of it. So, yeah. Just want to get a few pieces of ginger and put it inside of it like this. Yeah. Do not use any sugar or sweetener inside of it. You just want to drink it natural like that, okay? As you can see it for yourself. That looking amazing and fantastic, guys. That's the mint and ginger tea you want to drink before you go to bed in the night. All right, now grab yourself a copy of the book, From Poverty to Purpose. All right,